This is DC Danton Pro Crusader. It's the 9th of July. I got our little Millie in the car. I'm just going to get my little hat. The sun's pretty strong. Let's just pray and hope he doesn't have a seizure on the way here. I'm going to make this very short. It's going to be a hot day. Put all that stuff ready here. Pull it out already in the car. Ooh. Georg Schmidt is here, his van. He's normally not here on Tuesdays. This is probably why we have no birds today. There's just a few on the field, but I don't see any Seymour or anyone else. Gonna open our little door for Millie. Millie's gonna look at the birds. Here he is. Here's our little guy. Hi, baby. There's our little Millie. Hi, sweetheart. There's our little guy. We'll see if any birds show up for him. We have no air conditioning in the car. It's broken. It's just, with all the other repairs that needed to be done, it was not feasible yet. So it is on the plan. It is on the plan. Very few pigeons here today. Either they're locked up, or that's our little local group, or option number 3. Georg Schmidt's poisoning on the rooftop, where the pigeons used to roost here on the very top and the second level of the shopping center. And of course there aren't any anymore. They're all gone. So that'll tell you something. That should tell you everything you need to know. So this down here, we say we got no birds. Got no birds today. Probably Georg Schmidt, they were feeding early in the morning. He gets here very early, around 5. So looks like we have a little bit of grain left. We really see more, and the other birds should be here. The crows are nowhere to be found. Got some grain here, which means they haven't had any peace to come down and finish it. They would have finished it. They would have finished it this morning. So put out a nut. Of course, yesterday was warm. Didn't start out warm. It was cool, and it got warm as the day went on. And I hope some of these birds don't know where the gulls are. Seymour should be here. No Jeremy, no anybody. I know we're earlier today, but that shouldn't matter. Birds hang around here, and they communicate with each other when they hear the call let out by the crows. There's no call being let out because they're obviously, you got this guy here cleaning the parking lot in the shopping center. And yesterday, of course, we had the power washing. It's disturbing to the birds. It's going to get cooler the next few days. I'll cut back some of the grain. I don't want any grain left on the field. But yeah, a lot of eggs today. But no birds. No birds. No birds. Like to know why? Well, I imagine it's Georg Schmidt was out here. They're out here very early in the morning. And they should be out there here right now. So we'll see what happens during the day. The grass is really wet. Must have had a heavy dew last night. No birds for Millie. I was hoping some birds would come down. Oops, got caught on my camera here, but I don't see any. Unfortunate. I think Millie would have enjoyed the birds, but missed opportunity. Unfortunately, Georg Schmidt is here. Little by little, the cow manure is seeping into the ground. So, anyway, this is DC Danton, Crow Crusader. I want to wish you a great Tuesday. You know where we're headed, off to the vet. And love you birds. Stay safe. Enjoy your Tuesday wherever you are. And fight the good fight. Step out of your comfort zone and do something for the animals. However small, however big. This is DC Danton, Crow Crusader. Over and out.